HTML history. Since the early days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented www. 1991, Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML. 1993, Dave Raggett drafted HTML+. 1995, HTML Working Group defined HTML 2.0. 1997, W3C recommendation, HTML 3.2. 1999, W3C recommendation, HTML 4.01. 2000, W3C recommendation, XHTML 1.0. 2008, WHATWG-HTML5 first public draft. 2012, WHATWG-HTML5 living standard. 2014, W3C recommendation, HTML5. 2016, W3C candidate recommendation, HTML 5.1. 2017, W3C recommendation, HTML 5.1 second edition. 2017, W3C recommendation, HTML 5.2.
To be continued.